But you switch up cause I'm next star. I got link and some 40 in my right car. Bitches change and act like I ain't all this. Get it money, nigga, that my man.
Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we got NBA Youngboy. It's called Slime Mentality. It's called Slime Mentality. He posted a couple days ago. I think it's 4 days ago. I can't remember, dude. I didn't even have this up. Yeah, we're gonna react to NBA Youngboy, Slime Mentality. That's what it's called. It's an official music video, and we're gonna listen to it, react to it. Every time I react to him, it's like fire music, anyways. NBA Youngboy, Slime Mentality.
My mama slime, my sister slime, my brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah, he slime. Hey, how you wanna do it? I'm in here. Hey, 4K Trey. I'm on pretty dog, nigga, I'm on that same shit. Nobody say, look, let's go. Boom, bow, pussy bitch, don't try to run now. Fuck nigga, I ain't have his head on. I'ma make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones. I been coolin', but these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your just to see what's on your mind, I'm Youngboy wiping, Kaylin wiping, yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm sliding. He acting hot, them slimes from down to ease his mind. Yeah, I pull up acting in a photo. You would think my niggas with me in this bitch, but boy, I'm solo. And me sharing a sofa, still a come and kick your front door. Bro, geeking off that sofa, wildin' out, bitch, if you don't know. I'm telling you niggas, I drop a bag just to finish you niggas. He think it's done, but that's his ass, I'm gon' get rid of you niggas. At a show or anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you niggas. I want them all, that's on my dog, bitch, we gon' get at you niggas. P.O. Black and trying to catch a nigga outside. I'm thinking for real, I tell you, bitch, I crossed the law line. I'm about mine, let's slang iron. 3 run on with that Glock 9. Motherfucker, they clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, He came out of slime, He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker who come behind, Cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. Put on side, I'm dump 100 in a car. Boom, bow, catch you slipping in, you ain't gon' see the more. This him, we dying hard. I go by top, get out your top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here slamming with a nigga. Hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no problem with a nigga. These hoes ain't shit, I put a Remy on a pillow. Mention the op, I tell her stop until it fill up. Bitch, bro just wrote me in the message and I read it, what it said. He jokes off you about your ex and then he dead. I'm banging green, but I get mad and leave out red. I been that nigga, you gon' get that through your head. Bitch, hold on, grew up in that fire, He came out of slime, He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, Cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them. Ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. He came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Don't give a fuck who come behind, Cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, and I don't care who they around, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch.
It's a nice house. Shit's fire, and this doesn't have that much editing. It doesn't have that cool effects. It's like NBA Youngboy is another level. He's in another level.